Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my second haul video. This is a combination of Nykaa and Purple haul. So without any further ado, let's get started. First I'll be showing you all the products that I've got from Nykaa, and then I'll be showing you what are the products that I've got from Purple. Yeah, let's get. The first thing that I've got from Nykaa are these lipsticks. These are So Cream Matte lipsticks. This is the new launch from Nykaa. Actually, I'm the last one, I think, to get a hand on this lipsticks. These are in two shades. One is in Daydreaming and one is in Your Latte. So here is the swatch of Daydreaming and here's the swatch of Your Latte, and I love it. I just love both the colors. One is in pinkish nude and one is a brownish nude. I love brown. You must be knowing from all those videos I do. I love brown. I love to put something brown nude on my face, so I love it. Here is my another lipstick. I love this lipstick. This is a liquid lipstick from Nykaa. This is in the shade Gil, however you want to pronounce. This is how it comes. I love the packaging, and this is the shade. This is how it looks, and this is the shade Gul. This one, you see. I love that shade. I cannot emphasize on the fact how much I love that shade. This shade is going to my favorite. This is another thing which I've got from Nykaa. This is the eyeliner. This is from Faces Canada. I've kept the packaging just to show you. Not needed anymore. So I don't remember which one I used to use earlier, but this is how it looks. It got over, so I need to get another one. I'll just swatch it for you. It's pretty dark. Yeah, it's pretty good. Haven't used it till now because I was a eyeliner fan earlier, but now I'm into mascara and lipstick and I'm done with my makeup. But I love the liner. Hello guys, sorry, I just forgot to show you two things that I've got from Nykaa, and I don't know how I forgot, but I forgot. So this is the foundation, Wet n Wild foundation in the shade Amber Beige, and it's a very dark foundation for me. I can just swap it around and show it to you. Just see. Do you see? It's a very dark foundation for me, guys. You see? Yeah, it's a very dark foundation for me. I use it in I'm going to use it with a foundation lighter, and then it will match my shade. I use it with the Fit Me. In Fit Me my shade is 220, but I have the 128 shade too. I mix it with that and I get my perfect shade. So, and the one more thing which I got from Nykaa is also this Serial Kisser lip balm. This one. Okay, do you know why I got and purchased this? Because I have this, and do you want to see something? Yeah, it's completely over. This is how much I love this lip balm, so I'm just obsessed with this. So I got another one. It's just different. It's in the shade Green Apple, and this was in the shade Raspberry. I love this lip balm. These are so moisturizing. They stay in your lips for a very long time. You can also use this when you're using a liquid lipstick before that. So yeah, these were the two things I wanted to show you. So yeah, we can get back to the video. And the last products that I've got from Nykaa are these brushes. This is a concealer brush. This is a eyeshadow brush, and this is a eyeshadow blending brush. I cannot emphasize on the fact how much we need eye brushes, because we cannot just wash it every time we use it. It's really frustrating, so I need a lot of eye brushes. And guys, this was very affordable, and it's from Nykaa. Nykaa is a very good brand. I love Nykaa, so yeah, I got it. So guys, this is all the products that I have got from Nykaa, and let's jump into the Purplle haul, and I'm gonna show you what I've got from Purplle. So this is the first thing I have got from Purplle. I just love this thing. It's too big. Can you guess what it is? It's a lip liner. It's from Wet n Wild in the shade Berry Red, and I don't know why I got a red lip liner. I don't know, I don't have a lip liner till now, but if I put a red lipstick, I'm gonna use it and I'm gonna show it to you how does it look. Okay, so yeah, that is why I've got it, because I am not having a single lip liner in my kit. So yeah, it was very cheap too. It was for 135 rupees and you get such a big pencil. Only one con in this product is you have to sharpen it, and I haven't got any sharpener yet, so I'll get it as soon as possible. Next product is also a makeup, and the last makeup product is this from Blue Heaven. It's a Sapphire Blue Heaven translucent powder, and it is something like this. I have used it today. It has a very high fragrance, guys, very high. Like, it smells like some perfume bottle is in this jar. Okay, it smells a perfume bottle in jar. So if you don't like fragrance products, those who have fragrance, you cannot use this. I don't know, it worked well today. I don't know how much I'm gonna use it in future, so let's just see. Last three products which I've got are skincare, are from Purplle, so just let's get started. So this is the Good Vibes green tea toner. I don't know, I just love green tea, and Good Vibes is a very good brand, and haven't used anything of Good Vibes, so I just got a toner to try how good this works. And I was having a green tea toner from Plum and it just got over, so I thought why not try some new products, so I got this. I got another toner from Himalaya. It's refreshing and clarifying toner. It was very cheap. It was for 95 rupees. I think I got it in 65. Here it's written 95, but I'm sure I got it for 65. I don't know, I'll just leave down the link, don't worry. All the products I have shown in here, you will get the links down below, so don't worry about it. This is, I don't know, I wanted to buy this from a very long time, and when I saw this I was like, abhi mujhe ye chahiye. I don't know, I just need to get it, so I got it. So the last product is this. This is Almond Skin Brightening Facial Oil. This is my first ever facial oil, guys. I don't have a facial oil because I use an emulsion. I don't use oil in my face because I have this weird problem with I'll have acne if I use oil on my face. I don't know why, but I have that in my mind, so I don't use. So I got this Good Vibes facial oil. Heard very good things about Good Vibes, obviously, so I got this, and haven't used it till now. Let's see what's happening. I'll keep this thing updated in my Instagram, so if you're not following me on Instagram, then what, guys, what, just go and follow me on Instagram. Here we are with our last product. This is a free product, actually. It's also a sample product which I got from Purplle. I think there was an offer going on Good Vibes that if you get 2 products, then you get the third one free or something like that, or they give you a sample product. I don't know, they just send me this. This is the Wheat Germ Nourishing Night Cream. This is how it looks. Let's see how it smells. I need my creams to be like, either they shouldn't have any fragrance, or if they have fragrance, they should be like good. Okay, like it should be good, it should not be bad, so that I cannot apply that on my face. So let's see. This is how I got. It's very bad, guys. This fragrance is like, I'm never gonna put this on my face at night, and that too I need to smell nice when I go to sleep, and this smells really bad. I'm not gonna put this in my face and sleep. I will not be able to sleep. It smells very bad. I cannot do that anymore. So guys, here we are. I've shown you all the products. I was just taking a look if I've shown you everything or not. Yes, I have showed you everything, and I don't have anything else to show. I was having some parcels from Shein and Claw Factory. I was waiting for those parcels to arrive and make a haul video together, like from like everything. It would be a very big haul. I feel that these products are very less for you to show. I don't know. I just feel that way. But anyway, I showed it to you anyway because I don't know when I'm going to get those parcels from Claw Factory and Shein. So yeah. If you like this video, give a thumbs up, comment down below what are the products that you have used or you don't like, or what are the products you love, or you going to suggest me something. I'll be very happy to talk with you guys. And do comment down below what are the type of videos you want me to do. I would be really happy for you to do it for you guys. And yeah, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, click the bell notification so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. I'll see you in my next video. So bye bye guys, take care.